Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Good morning, my dear students. Today I will solve the remaining problems of exercise 1.3 starting from the question number 7. Question number 7 is, consider if a function from real number to real number given by fx is equal to 4x plus 3, show that f is invertible, find the inverse of f. Here f is a function from real number to real number given by fx is equal to 4x plus 3. We are to show that f is invertible. तो invertible show करने के लिए it is enough to show that f is a bijective function. हम लोगों को bijective function show करना है. Bijective means f is both 1 1 and on 2. So first of all we need to show that f is 1 1. f is 1 1. Okay. First 1 1 is 1 1. तो 1 1 शो करने के लिए हम लोग को क्या करना है? We need to consider two elements of the domain. Two elements of the domain such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2 and subject to the conditions f of x1 is equal to f of x2, we need to show that x1 is equal to x2. And if we can show x1 is equal to x2, then f is 1 1. Okay. So let x1 x2 belongs to R. Here R is the domain of f. Be any two elements. Be any two elements such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. Okay. fx is equal to 4x plus 3. So f of x1 is equal to 4x1 plus 3. 4x1 plus 3. And f of x2 is equal to 4x2 plus 3. 4x2 plus 3. This 3 cancel. So 4x1 is equal to 4x2. This 4 cancel. Hence x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. f is 1 1. Okay. Now we are to prove that f is onto. onto के लिए हम लोगों को क्या करना है? कोडोमेन का एक एलिमेंट्स कंसिडर करना है. लेट y belongs to R, where R is codomain. Be an arbitrary element so that y is equal to fx. y is equal to fx. That is y is equal to fx. The value of fx is 4x plus 3. अभी क्या करना है? x का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है इन टर्म्स ऑफ y. Now find the value of x in terms of y. So 4x is equal to y minus 3. Therefore x is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. Okay. Now here y is a rational number. Sorry, yes, y is real number. Y is real number. Y belongs to R means y is a real number. Therefore real number minus 3 divided by 4, that is again a real number which belongs to the set of real number. Here real number is nothing but the domain of the function f. For all y belongs to R. So for every y belongs to real number. Here real number means codomain. There exists x is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4, which also belongs to the set of real number. Here real number is domain, such that y is equal to f of x. Therefore f is onto. Okay, so since f is both 1 and onto, therefore since f is both 1 and onto, therefore f is invertible. F is invertible, and f inverse is equal to y minus 3 divided by 4. Y minus 3 divided by 4. This is the answer. Consider a function f from r positive to a half closed interval 4 comma infinity given by f of x is equal to x square plus 4. Show that f is invertible with the inverse f inverse of f given by f inverse of y is equal to square root of y minus 4, where r plus is the set of all non-negative real numbers. Okay, here f is a function, the domain is non-negative real number and the codomain is the half closed interval 4 to infinity, and which is a subset of the real number, and the function is defined by f of x is equal to x square plus 4. We need to show that the function f is invertible with the inverse f inverse of y is equal to square root of y minus 4. So to show that f is invertible, we must show that f is a bijective function, that is f is both 1 1 and onto. तो हम लोगों को क्या प्रूव करना है? फर्स्ट f is both 1 1 and onto. तो पहले हम लोगों को f को 1 1 शो करेंगे. ओके, 1 1. तो 1 1 के लिए we need to consider any two elements of the domain. इसीलिए हम लोग डोमेन से दो एलिमेंट्स हम लोग कंसिडर करेंगे. लेट x1 x2 belongs to the domain R positive. Be any two elements such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. It is our assumption, and subject to this assumption we need to show that x1 is equal to x2. Okay, here f of x is equal to x square plus 4, therefore f of x1 is equal to x1 square plus 4. Here also f of x2 is equal to x2 square plus 4. This 4 and 4 is cancelled, hence x1 square is equal to x2 square. So x1 is equal to plus minus x2, or x1 is equal to x2, since x1 x2 belongs to R पॉजिटिव, क्योंकि x1 x2 क्या है? पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर है, इसीलिए हम लोग पॉजिटिव वैल्यू ले लिया है. ओके, देयरफॉर f is 1 1. So f is 1 1. Okay, now we need to show that f is onto. अभी हम लोगों को f onto शो करना है. Okay, now onto के लिए we need to consider one arbitrary elements of the codomain. So let y belongs to codomain is 4 to infinity be an arbitrary element so that y is equal to fx. Y is equal to fx. Therefore, y is equal to the value of fx is equal to x square plus 4. Now, we'll find the value of x in terms of y. Therefore, x square is equal to y minus 4. Hence, x is equal to plus minus root over y minus 4. Therefore, x is equal to root over y minus 4. Since the value of y is what? 4 से लेकर इन्फिनिटी तक, अगर इसमें हम लोग इसमें 4 भी पुट करेंगे द वैल्यू विल बी 0. अगर 4 से ज़्यादा पुट करके देखो 5 minus 4 दैट इज पॉजिटिव. सो व्हिच बिलोंग्स टू आर positive for all x, for all y belongs to 4 infinity. Okay, the value of x is root over y minus 4. वो क्या होगा? एक पॉजिटिव नॉन नेगेटिव रियल नंबर हो जाएगा, क्योंकि y का वैल्यू 4 से लेकर इन्फिनिटी तक है. 4 से स्टार्ट करके इन्फिनिटी तक जितना भी वैल्यू इसमें हम लोग पुट करेंगे द वैल्यू विल बी नॉन नेगेटिव रियल नंबर. देयरफॉर फॉर एवरी y बिलोंग्स टू 4 to infinity, there exist x is equal to root over y minus 4, which is a non-negative real number, such that y is equal to f of x. Therefore, f is onto. Therefore, f is onto. Okay. Hence, f is invertible. And f inverse y is equal to root over y minus 4. This is question number 9 is consider a function a from positive real number to the half closed interval minus 5 to infinity given by f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Show that f is invertible with f inverse of y is equal to root over y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. Okay. This is the similar questions of question number 8. Here f is a function from the positive real number to the half closed interval minus 5 to infinity, and the function is defined by f of x is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Here 9x square plus 6x minus 5, it is a quadratic function. Okay, so we need to show that f is invertible with the inverse f of inverse f inverse is equal to root over y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. f inverse ये जो वैल्यू है ये हम लोगों को शो करना है. ओके, तो इससे पहले हम लोग को फर्स्ट क्या प्रूव करना है? f इज इन्वर्टिबल. तो f इज इन्वर्टिबल शो करने के लिए वी मस्ट शो दैट f इज बाइजेक्टिव फंक्शन. ओके, तो बाइजेक्टिव शो करने के लिए वी नीड टू शो दैट f इज बोथ 1 1 एंड ऑन 2. ओके, तो फर्स्ट हम लोग क्या करेंगे? f इज 1 1 ये शो करेंगे. f इज 1 1. ओके, 1 1. So to show that f is 1 1, we need to consider any two elements of the domain. So let x1 x2 belongs to, here domain is positive real number, be any two elements, be any two elements such that f of x1 is equal to f of x2. This is our assumption, and subject to this assumption we are to prove that x1 is equal to x2. तो fx1 का वैल्यू क्या होता है 9x1 स्क्वायर प्लस 6x1 माइनस 5 इज इक्वल टू 9x2 स्क्वायर plus 6x2 minus 5. This minus 5 and minus 5 is cancel. So just transfer the right hand side to left hand side. 9x1 square minus 9x2 square plus 6x1 minus 6x2 equal to 0. 9 is common, x1 square minus x2 square plus 6 is common, x1 minus x2 equal to 0. That is 9. A square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b plus 6 x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Again x1 minus x2 is common, then it will be 9 x1 plus x2 plus 6 equal to 0. Now you see here x1 and x2 both are positive real numbers, और पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स को प्लस करने से क्या होता है पॉजिटिव होता है 9 इंटू पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स प्लस 6, सो इट विल बी पॉजिटिव, दैट इज इट इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0. हम लोग इसमें लिख सकते हैं सिंस x1 x2 बिलोंग्स टू R, therefore 9 whole into x1 plus x2 plus 6 not equal to 0. So x1 minus x2 equal to 0. Therefore x1 is equal to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. Okay. Next on to के लिए we'll take one arbitrary elements of the codomain. So let y belongs to, your codomain is minus 5 to infinity, be an arbitrary element, be an arbitrary element, so that y is equal to fx, that is y is equal to 9x square plus 6x minus 5. Okay, or we can write 9x square plus 6x minus 5 minus y equal to 0, that is 9x square plus 6x minus 5 plus y equal to 0. You see, it is a quadratic equation. Her coefficient of x square is 9, coefficient of x is 6, and the constant term is minus 5 plus y. Okay, so from this quadratic equation we need to find the value of x in terms of y. तो हम लोग इसमें क्या कर सकते हैं, quadratic formula यूज कर सकते हैं. If we compare this quadratic equation 9x square plus 6x minus 5 plus y with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then we will get the value of a is 9, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to minus 5 plus y. Okay, if we apply the quadratic formula, then we will get x is equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by twice a. So here twice a, 2 into a, the value of a is 9 minus b plus minus b का प्लेस में हम लोग क्या पुट करेंगे 6 plus minus b square minus 6 square minus 4 into a means 9, c means minus 5 plus y. Okay, this is the square root. That is 2 9s are 18, minus 6 plus minus 6 square means 36, minus 4 9s are 36. इसमें माइनस है, इसमें माइनस है, सो माइनस माइनस प्लस 5 plus y. Okay, so this is 18 minus 6 plus minus, here 36 is common, 36 common लेने से here will be 1 plus 5 plus y. Hence x equal to minus 6 plus minus here 36. अगर स्क्वायर रूट का आउटसाइड में लाएंगे तो इट विल बी 6. सो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 plus 5 that is 6 plus y, or we can write y plus 6. Okay, so x is equal to, this is 18, here 6 is common, 6 common लेने से minus 1 plus minus root of r y plus 6, 6 3s are 18, therefore here will be 3 minus 1 plus minus root of r y plus 6. So the values of x are either x is equal to minus 1 plus root of r y plus 6 divided by 3, or x is equal to minus 1 minus root of r y plus 6 divided by 3. Okay. Now as x belongs to minus x belongs to r positive, x belongs to r positive, x is equal to minus 1 minus y plus 6 divided by 3 is rejected, क्योंकि x is positive real number, but here x इसमें हमने क्या देखा है, both the terms are negative, therefore it is a negative real number, therefore it is rejected. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus root of r y plus 6 divided by 3. This is the value of x. Again, since y belongs to minus 5 to infinity, therefore x is equal to minus 1 plus root over y plus 6 divided by 3 must be belongs to r positive, क्योंकि इसमें y belongs to minus 5 to infinity, this is minus 5 and this is up to infinity, so minus 4 minus 3 up to 0 1, जो भी वैल्यू हम लोग इसमें पुट करो, अगर minus 5 भी पुट करो, minus 5 plus 6 that is 6 minus 5 1, okay, 1 minus 1, so it is 0, non-negative real number. If we consider minus 4 plus 6 minus 4 that is 2, root over 2 minus 1 divided by 3, it is positive real number, that is non-negative real number. So for every y belongs to minus 5 to infinity, there exists x belongs to r positive, so that y is equal to fx, hence f is onto. So for every y belongs to minus 5 to infinity, there exists x which is equal to root over y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3, and it is belongs to positive, so that y is equal to f of x. Therefore f is onto, hence f is a bijective function, and therefore f is invertible, and f inverse is equal to the value of x, that is root over y plus 6 minus 1 divided by 3. This is the answer proved.